March is here and the garden is waking up. It's a busy month and today I'm showing you what to sow indoors, outdoors and undercover to guarantee an abundant harvest this season. First, let's talk about our indoor sowings. So in the second week of March, I will always sow my tomatoes. I will sow basil. It's also a great companion for our tomatoes. And towards the end of March, because they need the extra warmth of this month, I will sow melons. I sow most of the vegetables in seed trays because I have a greater control over them and I have a better sight on what is germinating. So most of the vegetables start off in seed trays. Outdoor sowings that you can start outdoors, like I mentioned: broad beans, peas, onion seeds, spinach, lettuce, carrots, parsnips, the white-rooted vegetable. You can sow some herbs, coriander, dill, parsley. You can plant out some early brassicas, broccoli, white cabbage, the pointy cabbage, the early brassicas. By the middle of March, towards the end of March, you can plant out your early potato varieties. And maybe a tip for when you are sowing: sow what you actually eat, because it makes no sense by sowing vegetables that you will never going to eat. So it's much more rewarding when it ends up onto your plate and you actually eat it. Future Kevin here. So while I was editing the video, I noticed that I forget to mention a few vegetables that you can sow in March. So that's why I will show you on the trays what we are sowing. So our first two rows, these are cauliflowers. Then I have two rows of spinach. Then I have one row of pointy cabbage, two rows of broccoli, and a vegetable that I forget to mention. I have two rows of celery, and then I have also one row of mustard salads, Asian salads. Now I will take the second tray. In this tray, and you can direct sow them outside, but I sow in module trays because I have a better control over them. They are a little bit stronger for pest. Our second tray, I have 4 rows of spinach. Then I have 4 rows of, again, the Asian salads, and I've got 2 rows of, in Dutch we say rucola. I'm not sure how to pronounce it in English, but it's this salad leaf. So it's a bit the taste is like some nut variety. Rucola in Dutch. I've got seed trays of salads, just red salad and some green salads. And I've got a row of beetroot, red one and the golden beetroot. So you can plant them all outside or in a module tray. I have multi-sown onions. So here are 3 to 4 onions per module, so 60 module cells. So I can end up with around 200 onions. And I also planted. You witnessed this in the previous video. If you have seen the video, a lot of onion sets. So normally I will get around 400 onions. That will be plenty enough leeks I also grow summer leeks. I always sow them in pots and afterwards I can separate them, and it's easy, and I will show you in another video how to do that. But leeks, so back to the video, and I would like to know, what are you sowing in your garden? So let me know in the comments, and for now I will say happy gardening and see you in the next